Hey beautiful people, my name is Denveralis and welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's been a minute since I posted a video. I know in my last video I said I was going to do some Halloween makeup looks, which I was, but certain things in my life unfolded which made me put it on pause. But don't worry, I saved those Halloween looks, or I'm going to be saving those Halloween looks for next year, which I'm super excited about. But besides all that, let's get into today's video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own vampire wolf false teeth. It's very easy. You only need 2 items, which is white plastic pellets. I got this at my Halloween, I got this at a Halloween store next to my house. I'm not sure if Party City sells it. I don't think they do, but you can get it at any Halloween store. I'm sure they have smaller ones, smaller packages of these. I just chose to get a bigger one because I need it. I use it. I use all of it. And the next thing you're going to need is some hot water. You're going to pour the white pellets inside, which will turn clear, but that's going to soften it up to where you can mold and shape to what you want it to be. So let's get started. When adding the pellets to the water, you don't want to add too much because you're not going to be using that much to create the teeth. How much should I say? How can I say this? Like a pinch of seasoning would be the best amount. I don't know, like a pinch of seasoning, like that much. Can you guys see? Like that much would be a good amount to put in the warm water. You can see the pellets went from white to clear, and you want to wait until they fully turn clear before you take them out the water and start molding your teeth. All right, y'all, so now that the pellets are now clear, we're going to go ahead and take a piece out of the water, start molding it on my canine teeth. This is the part where you guys have to get all up in my mouth, so I'm sorry, but if you want to see this tutorial, you gotta be in my mouth. That sounded weird, but no, I'm just gonna bring the camera up closer so you guys can get a better view on how I mold the teeth. I added tissue in my mouth to keep me from drooling, and I rolled a raindrop sized ball, which I will start molding onto my canine tooth. As you can see, I'm trying to shape it into a sharp type shape, I would say, to where it forms and looks like vampire teeth. And I'm going to repeat this step on either side of my top teeth as well as my bottom. And this is how I'll get my vampire and wolf shaped teeth. All right, y'all, I'm so sorry you had to be all up in my mouth. I know you guys are not dentists, besides you, Addie, if you were watching this. But it's all for a good cause, especially if you want to make your own false teeth or false vampire wolf teeth. Now that that process is over, once you get done molding your teeth, set them to the side. Once they turn white, then they're ready to go. So let's go ahead and put on our false teeth that we just made. So these are the vampire. If they're not symmetrical, is that the word? Symmetrical. Once the fangs are somewhat the same length, then no one can really tell whether or not they have flaws. And then the werewolf ones is just the smaller ones we made on the bottom tier of our teeth. And here we are. It took me a couple of tries before I got the results I was looking for. It might take you the same thing, but I hope I explained it and kind of help or will help you guys in trying to do this yourself. I'm not saying this is the right way, but this is just the way that works for me. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.